most people say exactly what you say to me, that they would not have known had I not told them that my mom, or I've had people see my mom in my wedding pictures and say, why do you have this Asian woman in your wedding pictures? So yes, possibly. But I know that my mom, being the Korean that she is, they're very stubborn. She is so grateful for the opportunities that she's had here. And she's a scrappy person, fought for her. She, studied for the naturalization and fought for becoming integrated. So I'm super proud of her. I would say that when I was younger in elementary school, when they found out who my mother was, interestingly enough, I was bullied, but didn't realize it because I was so unaware of, to me, everything was normal. But I remember being called chink and Chinese American and all the little Chinese songs said to me. And I just felt so loved by my mom that it never affected me. But yes, you're right. I don't look Asian at all. So not unless they see my mom in my pictures, would they wonder if I'm adopted or, but yeah. And I do see that possibly, I think Asian women in my mind are viewed as intellectual, but that's my view because of the way I was raised. My mom was very poor and we were raised very poor. And this is not really the answer most people expect from me, but I wanted to make sure that I could provide for myself and my family because I saw so many of my family members struggling. And I was also caring and knew that it was something that I could do. And I didn't understand, everybody was getting these bachelor's of arts degrees. And I didn't understand how that would help nurture your family and take care of your family and put food on the table. And so I looked for a profession where I could do all those things. And nursing just said to me, you will be able to provide for your family, provide for yourself, and nurture people. And that's how I ended up here. Just because I saw my mom was very poor growing up in Korea, and we were very poor when I was in a single wide trailer. So I did not want to struggle like that. I wanted to at least know that I could provide for myself and my. As I was working through nursing school and working 2 jobs, and that was hard. And my grandpa was in the Army, POW, and my dad was Army. And I got an offer to join the military. I joined the military specifically to help me get through nursing school. And I was only going to stay 4 years, and I loved it. It was such a wonderful opportunity. So yes, there's all these different, but yeah, I just feel like I've been treated very well. And interestingly enough, and I don't know how it works, but when I put Asian Pacific Islander or history, I sometimes, and I don't know if it's supposed to happen, but sometimes I feel like I get a leg up because I feel like people are trying to help me. That's what I think.